Mille RM 1105 automatic flyback chronograph GMT watch. Caliber RM AC3 skirt noise automatic winding movement with hours, minutes, seconds at 3 o'clock. Oversized date month flyback chronograph with minutes and countdown counters at 9 o'clock. Hours counters at 6 o'clock. UTC functions and variable geometry router. Construction of the automatic movement gives pride of place to titanium. Its functions notably include a GMT display that can be simply adjusted thanks to a push piece at 9 o'clock, a 24-hour flyback chronograph, and an annual calendar. The added grace ceramic is adapted to the pure aerodynamic lines of the Icon's case, with measure 50 by 42.70 mm with a total thickness of 16.15 mm. Materials at a high temperature without altering their respective qualities was a challenge. It proved even more difficult to obtain a homogeneous whole as nickel and cobalt, which are normally used in this family of hard materials, were excluded in order to reach standards which ensures safety in the production and use of chemicals in the European industry. Innovation procedures used for this solution is classic hot stamping with a series of powerful electrical current pulses to increase the sintering kinetics, a technique known as flash sintering. Its density of 4.1 cm3 less than that of titanium, and the hardness of 2360 Vickers, almost the same as the diamond's 24600 Vickers, makes ceramic a judicious choice for use in bezels that are very exposed to scatters while maintaining overall lightness.